1, 2, 3, up. That girl. All right. Let's see if we can get Rocky a boost up there too. All right.
Rocky's first ride.
Rocky's first ride. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Ready, Dad?
Yep.
Okay, out to the left. Well, let's just walk in a little circle here, stretching off. And then you're going to keep help Rocky not fall off up there, okay? That might scare you a little bit. That's a box falling off his back. Watch where you're going. Rocky. Rocking one hand, you're around the other one. There you go, good. How's that? Okay, let's do turn towards Dad. All over there. Nice. We'll go 2 extra foot in, and maybe we'll let Rocky hop down and we can get to work on our other stuff, okay? You can watch. See how he's a beginner and you're not.